Odense is regarded as an international frontrunner when it comes to the development and production of collaborative robots. I think the potential of drone global is huge, and the possibilities and opportunities here in Odense are great. We have great experience of developing a robotics cluster and building the whole ecosystem around the robotics companies. And I believe that we can harvest the synergies by mixing our ambitions and our traditions within robotics with the new ambitions within drones. Odense is like one company. If you speak with someone from the university, if you speak with someone from the municipality or for a company or for the finance sector, it's like you're speaking with one robotic company. We are very good at cooperating and helping each other within the city, and I think this cooperation we also can build around the drone sector in the city.
So I'm very optimistic about the potential of the drone industry. We are just now getting started. We are using the lessons that we have learned here in Odense about robotics to help us get a faster start in the drone technology area. And so we are partnering with a lot of robotics companies. We are using similar software and algorithms, similar techniques, so that we can very quickly develop the drone industry here in Denmark and across Europe. It is a special place to be, and what I'm trying to make happen from the university perspective is for it to be recognized as a place where other universities, other project partners want to come in order to advance the basic research and some of the development of drones from that perspective.
Normally it's a person that is placing the trailer on the terminal, and he says that he positioned it in slot B52. Maybe it was D52. And we don't realize before the tugmaster comes in to pick it up and take it on board, and he can't find the trailer. So he's wasting a lot of time, and the vessel is delayed. Normally it takes around 6 minutes to do one cycle. Take a trailer, put it on the vessel, go back and take the next one. That's 6 minutes. If we know exactly where all trailers are at any time, then we can lower that average to 4.5 minutes. And the new vessels we have, it's 450 trailers times 1.5 minute, and that gives quite a lot of minutes there. At the same time, we want the externals to be in the terminal area as short as possible, because they are in the way. The tugmasters, they go really fast. I just talked to Esbjerg Havn about that, and they're really fast. And they don't want external truck drivers driving around, drinking coffee, looking for their trailers. So we can use this, the Lorenz service, for them. They have a driver app, so they will get a notification, not saying that they need to pick it up in Esbjerg Havn, but they can pick it up at this exact location within a few centimeters, a few meters. So they can go straight to the trailer, pick it up and drive out again. We use the drones, they fly autonomously around the terminal, and they will find the exact or very precise positions of the trailers and the IDs on the trailers. So we will have an exact location of each and every trailer in the terminal, and we use that for optimizing the loading, and also use it as a customer service, so they can more easily, the truck drivers can more easily find the trailers in the terminal. So that will, in the end, make the operation much more efficient.
By using the Lorenz technology and their software backend, the Lorenz Hive, actually we are able to have a better guard product to deliver to our customers, because we not only can we deliver a security service, if we actually can deliver a better overview of the perimeter of the company, but also we can make some added value to the companies by scanning their goods, scanning their outside storage, facility management. The Lorenz software gives us a good overview and an easy way to react to certain kind of incidents by the client side. So it could be water on the roof at a customer site, and perhaps people hiding in the perimeter of the company. Usually a security guard, he walks his rounds, he takes care of that there are no doors unlocked or open windows in the company. But some companies, it's actually difficult to see if there are people hiding in the perimeter. So having a drone and the Lorenz technology as eye in the sky, we actually have a better overview and a better possibility to react to to people that are not supposed to be there. The whole AI link and added value is something we want to give our customers, and we see ourselves by the partnership we have with Lorenz, we see ourselves creating a better guard product, but also being able to support the client's business much better. So it's not only security, now we can help them with their storage, we can help them locate trailers on their grounds, or we can help them 3D scan their goods and actually tell them how much storage they're using, help them invoice their clients, and building a business case for them to create added value in their business.
We see drones have a huge potential. We see delivery with drones. We started working with drones for inspecting turbines back in 2015. In 2017 we were fully operational. Today, I would say 99% of all inspections are done with drones. We see potential from delivery from drones to ship, which is the project with Lorenz. We see potential with drones delivering packages out to sea directly to the turbine. We imagine in 2030, 35, we are flying the technicians out. We don't have ships out there. That's our ultimate vision.
Well, we use drone and drone technologies in a wide area. So either for patrolling in the security area or safety with VTOL systems, which we are producers as well for long areas or long lines as railway industry or power lines. Our aim is to use Lorenz technology in the future to find the right solutions for our clients, for example for harbor security, to gather either security problems, find out where is the perimeter not working correctly, or to find out in logistic problems where are the containers they are searching for since a couple of while, or where do we have to work on the infrastructure as lamps or anything else.
We're very happy and we're very proud of having Capra Robotics with us today and announcing them as a strategic partner for us. We have been working intensely on your platform and what we can do with your platform, and we really see moving forward that the driving robots will also be a part of our offering, and that Capra Robotics will be a key player in that field.
We have a partnership with Lorenz Technology, and we're already doing some projects with them on some of our customers regarding security on ports. We have security guards going around the customer sites in Denmark, and we found that using drones and Lorenz Technology backend software, by using that we could be competitive to other security companies in the industry, and also having a better guard product to our end users and customers.
It has been really exciting. We look for companies who both understand the drone, can enter the brain of the drone and control the drone. We also realize that we need some AI. So when we were looking for technology scouting who we would like to see in the project, we needed someone that knew the drone part but also knew the AI part. We don't see this working without some AI.
Instead of having this customer relation, then we would very much like to go for the partnership. And that we can do either by co-creation or open innovation, or we can go for funding. We have done some EU funding with Lorenz, or we can go for innovation fund in Denmark and so on.
We're working with Lorenz Technology since I think around a year together as in partnership, and I've never been up here, and so I'm quite open to see the new developments of Lorenz and of course of Lorenz partners, and try to find out what could be the next steps of our partnership. Well, it's an increasing part of our business, and out of the idea that technology is part of our standard business and gets more and more business, this will help us, and we're working on a long and stable partnership with Lorenz to be in this area the number one in Germany.
We participate with Lorenz Technologies because they are one of those that could use our mobile robot platform to make a specific application. And that's very important for us because we only do the platform, and our platform has a lot of possibilities. And security, surveillance, and the things that Lorenz Technologies does is one of the areas that is of key importance for us. But we're not the one that goes out and sell that specific solution, only the platform, and that's why it's very, very good cooperation, Lorenz Technologies and us.
Today, we are visiting a company that has seen the growth opportunities of their business idea and has shown how to realize them. Lorenz has, from the very beginning, understood and utilized the tools of opportunities of the cluster. To do so, you need support from a lot of people. You need funding and you need customers. And Lorenz has been able to achieve all of it.
So nice having our close partners joining forces on the summit, and also nice having representatives from all over the industries who just have the curiosity about what can drones and robots do in the future to provide value for them. And I think we have been able today to show that we're already now in a position where we can present and use this new technology and create value for companies out there in the market.
I think they've done a fantastic job recognizing that the hardware that they have available is still evolving, and there's regulations out there that are still coming out. And these platforms have started off very simple, maybe what we call single points of failure that provide a little bit more risk. And they said, well, that's not the area they want to focus on. They want to focus on the software and the AI, and have the ability to put that on any piece of hardware. And so I think it's a really smart strategy, because as the hardware side continues to develop and improve, incorporate standards, they can continue to develop their product and then put the two of those together and find the synergy for a great business.
We can focus on what we're good at, while Lorenz Technologies focus on what they're good at. We deliver the platform and they use it for their application. So we divide the business up in two parts. We deliver the hardware and they deliver the software, the navigation, the surveillance part.
I think the potential of the company is fair to compare with some of the most successful robotic companies in the city. Lorenz Technology, of course, have advanced technology, but they are also good at bridging to great companies, bridging to the robotics cluster, bridging to the city and the municipality. So we can help each other by making Lorenz to a success.
The benefits of using Lorenz Technology is that we can do our operation much more efficient. We can save time, and we can improve the data quality dramatically.
I think Lorenz will be the center of the epicenter for drone technologies, not only for Denmark, but also for Europe.